Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two business tools platform, which is Wave and AutoEntry. So let's get started. Wave continues to be a strong choice for small business or now looking for a free all-in-one accounting platform. It offers tools for invoicing, payment tracking, bank reconciliation, and a basic reporting, all in a user-friendly dashboard with no monthly fee. It's ideal for freelancers and startups managing their finance without needing a deep automation. While AutoEntry, on the other hand, is a specialized data entry tool built for streamlined bookkeeping. It automates the capture and categorization of receipt, bills, and invoice, reducing the manual data entry for accountants and a small business dealing with a high volume of paperwork. While Wave provides a complete accounting suite, its document capture features aren't as advanced or automated as AutoEntry. However, AutoEntry is not a full accounting system. It complements platforms like QuickBooks or Xero just to automate its work. And here's a very conclusion about the two platforms. So choose Wave if you need the free, easy to use accounting software, or go with AutoEntry if you are already using accounting software and you want to automate your data entry and reduce time spent on manual bookkeeping. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.